Here in this video, we will show you how to integrate webmail email accounts with Gmail interface. Many people like Gmail interface as it is convenient to use and user-friendly. If you want to use that Gmail interface with your webmail emails, then first of all simply log into your Gmail and then go to Settings, which is given at the top right corner. Now here in the fourth section you will find Accounts and Import. Click over there and then go to Send Mail as Add another email address. Enter your email address that you have created inside cPanel. Click over Next step. So log into cPanel account and then go to Email. From here, you will find several email accounts that you have created. Just go to that email account which you are configuring right now. Click over Setup Mail Client in front of that email account. Now from this page, you will find several details like port, incoming server port, outgoing server port, username, etc. From here, we will copy SMTP port of outgoing server, that is 465. So copy it from here and then go back to Gmail interface under Settings. There will be a drop down. You just need to select that port. Fill up the username and password of your webmail and then click over Add Account by selecting Secured Connection using SSL, which is displayed as recommended. This will ask you for OTP which you will receive in your webmail interface. So again, log into cPanel and then go to Email Account section. Now here, go to that particular email account which you are configuring, click over More and then click over Access Webmail. Now you can select round cube and you will find that your inbox has been appeared. So the very first email which says Email Configuration Settings for your custom mail ID. Click over that email and then find your OTP from here. Now copy this OTP and then go back to the same page via Gmail interface and then paste it over there. Now finally click over Verify. Now in this way your webmail account is added for outgoing email. Now if we click over Compose, we will find another email address which is displayed under From section. This means we can now send emails from another email account which is custom. Now for importing all your webmail emails directly into your Gmail inbox, follow further method. That is, click over Import Mail and Contacts from here and then enter your email ID here. Finally, go ahead with Continue. Now here, paste the password of your email ID which you have created from cPanel. If you don't remember it, you can reset the password from cPanel. Also, we need POP3 port. We will come back to the same page, note down the port and then let's begin with entering the details over here. Enter your password, POP username. POP username is nothing but your complete email ID. So simply paste the whole email ID over here. Now select the port as 110. Finally click over Continue and then if you want to leave a copy of retrieved message into the server as well, you can select the second option also. Now finally click over Start Import. This will take some time and all your emails will be imported into your inbox. Please subscribe to our channel if you have still not subscribed. If you want to have a great service with such features to integrate those emails in your Gmail inbox, then simply get a web hosting service from redserverhost.com.